How to use Circle to Search on Android. This tutorial shows you how to search anything on your screen without switching apps. First, to bring up Circle to Search, long press the Home button. Or if you're using gesture navigation, swipe up and hold from the bottom corner of your screen. After that, Gemini will activate an overlay on top of whatever is currently on your screen. At this point, simply draw a circle around anything you want to search. This could be an image, a product, a piece of text, or anything else visible on your screen. Following this, Gemini will instantly pull up search results related to whatever you circled, all without leaving the app you were in. From here, if you want to dig deeper, you can type a question about what you circled directly into the search bar and tap Enter. Gemini will give you a more detailed response based on your query. After that, scroll through the results to find what you're looking for. You'll see a mix of web results, images, and other relevant information all in one place. Finally, once you're done, just swipe down or tap outside the overlay to dismiss Circle to Search and go straight back to what you were doing. That's how you use Circle to Search on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.